Okay. After the pre-process step, we will click on the review and modify. Because we click always review and modify because there are some shapes and different structure formula for the ligand, and we choose that ligand state that is the best and fittest for the our protein, and this always selected by the software automatically. So we will click on the analyze workspace, and after that we will click on generate states. It will generate the different states of the ligand. These are the states that has been produced. This is the first state, and this is the second state. So I consider that second state is the best state because here is NH2 group, hydroxyl group, oxygen, and complete bonding pattern here is present. So we will choose this state and we will do MD simulation using this state of the ligand compound. After that, after creating this state, we will move towards the minimization and optimization, and we will click on the refine. Actually, optimization and minimization process, as Dr. Daniel yesterday asked that MD simulation, either minimization is compulsory or not before the molecule docking, and I answered him that minimization process is compulsory, is not compulsory, but can be compulsory. But viewing the situations, if we are docking the compound protein ligand, and we get the results with high binding energy and the hydrogen bonding interactions and good RMST, we are not in the need to do minimization before the molecular docking. But if we get a bad results with lower binding energy and lower hydrogen bonding interaction and high RMST values, then we say that minimization process is compulsory before the docking. So this is the process and optimization and minimization in which atoms can arrange into their original positions, bonding patterns can be corrected, and other extra, you can say non-standard atoms and residues can be removed during the optimization and minimization. First of all, before going towards the minimization, we will do its optimization. So we will click on optimize. This is the optimization, and this will assign the hydrogens to the protein as well, and ligands, because hydrogens are very compulsory to make the hydrogen bondings and other hydrophobic interactions. We should wait for 1 or 2 minutes. We can also tell you about the hardware specifications that are very compulsory to perform the MD simulation. You can ask after this session, and we will help you, inshallah. So optimization has been done. The system on which we are performing this MD simulation, this is a 6th generation with 1 TB hard and 8 GB RAM, and you can understand that how much time it is taking. And this is protein whose length is not more, and its length is, I think, 400 amino acid residues, not more. So these are the amino acid residues 396. So you can understand how much time it can be take for the 20, even 10 to 20 nanoseconds. So it should be performed on the GPU and graphic card systems. So you can get your results as soon as possible in 10 to 12 hours of the 100 nanosecond simulation. So optimization has been completed. And now we will click on the minimization. This is a very easy to use, and I always recommend this software because if someone is not expert in the software, he can also use that software. But there are some problems happening during the MD simulation while we are performing. That is not a big deal. You can search on the Google, and you can take help from us also. Thank you. So minimization process will take 3 to 4 minutes. After that minimization, we will prepare a system to run the MD simulation. From here, you can check your results. So these are the preparation, optimization, and you can monitor. And minimization is in running form, and pre-process. After the pre-process, the states were generated, that is also completed, and optimization also completed. Now minimization is running. So minimization process always take some time to complete it, because minimization correct the structure of the protein and ligand. Both the structures corrected by the minimization process, and bonds are corrected in this process also. So minimization process also has been completed now. These are the pre-processed files that are forming, and I will show you where these files are kept. So after that minimization process, now we will move towards system preparation. So I can show you the files. You can go in documents. Here is Schrodinger, and it is the previous work directory. These are the files that has been produced during that process. So now we will build its system for MD simulation. So we will click on task. This is a task, and simply we will write system builder. This is a system builder. So this is how we will prepare the system for the MD simulation now. And first step in this, we will choose the model, liquid model for the protein. So mostly we choose TIP3P model because this is a membranous protein and small globular proteins. And for the globular proteins, TIP3P model is very good model, consider very good model. So liquid model. So after that, we will click on show boundary box. This is the boundary box, and it is said to be a liquid box. So we will click on the minimize volume. These are the distances. We can say these are the directional distances. So 10 in x-axis, 10 angstrom in y-axis, 10 angstrom in z-axis. So these are the angles 90-90. So for the good protein ligand simulation, we kept these parameters as a default. You can change them according to your system. If your system is not much heavy and not much have good specifications, you can choose these according to your system specification and according to your protein ligand complex size. So from here, you can change the name of this job. I will kept its system 6 LU7. So after that, this has been completed. Now we will click on the ions, and here we keep distance of 20 angstrom because before 20 angstrom, all the water molecules will be removed and non-necessary ions will be removed, and till the 20 angstrom distance. So we will write 20 angstrom, and after that we will select the ligand. So you can go towards residue and residue type. So here is a ligand, I think, and we will click on it, click on add, and OK. So this is a ligand that has been selected. It will run with this protein and MD simulation will be performed. After that, for the neuralization of the system, we will add some positive negative ions, Na plus and Cl negative. This is a standard salt concentration 0.15 mol. So after that, simply we will run it and it will take some time, 5 to 6 minutes. We will monitor that job, and this is monitor. It is running. Stage 1 has been completed, and so the job has been completed now. After completing this, we will run the MD simulation, and for to run the MD simulation, we will choose molecular dynamics. This is, and we will load a file, import from file. Okay, and these are the nanoseconds. On which nanoseconds you want to run the MD simulation. The today's standard of the journals is 100 nanosecond, and if you are working with the in vitro work, research or wet lab work, you can run MD simulation on 20 nanoseconds, 50 nanoseconds, but most of the journals not accepted on 20 nanoseconds, even on 50 nanoseconds. So we generally performed MD simulation on 100 nanoseconds because 100 nanosecond has been considered as standard. So this is 1.2 nanosecond. This is the recording interval picosecond trajectory, and these are the frames. These can be considered while analyzing the results of the MD simulation. And this is a standard temperature of 300, that is approximately equal to the body's temperature. And all the parameters will be default. And from here we can change the name of that protein. Job 6 LU7. I will say that 10 nanosecond. 100 nanosecond, because I'm going to show you the results of the 100 nanosecond simulation. So from here we will browse. LU7. Here is the MD simulation. So we will always take a .out.cms file. Because of error on the window, that file is not created, but we can take that file into the MD simulation browser. We can click. So actually MD simulation preparation can be done on the Windows, because this is not a purchased version, and we can do MD simulation on the Linux. And as I already told you, MD simulation can be performed on the GPU. If you want to perform MD simulation, this error occur only due to the Windows. If someone want to perform MD simulation on Windows, that he should have GPU as well as its academic version that is purchased. So I will run MD simulation on the Linux, because system preparation has been completed now. And after the system preparation, we simply go on the task using the Linux and select the molecular dynamics. Select the molecular dynamics. From here, we simply import the file and change these parameters. So I will suggest that for 100 nanosecond, 1000 frames are enough for the MD simulation, and all other parameters should be kept default. So this was the simple procedure of the MD simulation on the Windows as well as on Linux. So now I will show you the results of the MD simulation. After this is the option from where we import the file. This is the same option as on the Linux. Simply we on the same process will be repeated on the Linux. We will on the Linux and go on the molecular dynamics, import file, and after that we will move on the working directory. From here there will be out dot cms file. So this out.cms file will be imported in that directory. Here will be the file will be imported. The named out.cms file will be imported, and we will select the time on which we want to run the MD simulation: 100 nanosecond, 50 nanosecond, 20, even 10 nanosecond. We will choose the 10 nanoseconds. On 10 nanoseconds, 250 frames are enough. On the 20 nanoseconds, 500 frames are enough. So these are the basic things, and this same procedure can be performed on the Linux, where we have already installed the Schrodinger. So I'm going to show you some of the results of the MD simulation of my paper research article that was published in a few months before. I'm going to show you the results of the MD simulation. And I will show you the results of the MD simulation without the publication. Yes, Dr. Daniel, just simply click on the run. These are the simulation results, and I have completed more than 100 simulations, and there are 2 different research articles on the MD simulation that I have published, and 5 to 6 articles has been submitted in different journals based on the MD simulation. So we are going to analyze these results. These are the MD simulation results. So same MD simulation job type, NPT ensample, and this should be the NPT that is mentioned in different research articles, and temperature should be 300 according to the body's temperature. And this is